My name is Andrew Stotz of Stotz Investment Research, talking about world-class benchmarking for the company UAC Global. The company, UAC, is a small-cap company with a market capitalization of $70 million US. It's a Thai business that imports and delivers chemicals and industrial tools. It targets customers within the oil and gas industry. It supplies foreign as well as domestic factories, as well as upstream petrochemical refineries, emission and waste management, and provides services for designing of the manufacturing processes. Before we start, let me tell you the story of world-class benchmarking. As a sell-side analyst, I built a successful career analyzing the performance of companies. In 1995, I co-founded CoffeeWorks, a B2B coffee roaster in Bangkok with my best friend, Dale. Back then, I worked full-time at an investment bank, so my role with CoffeeWorks was only to advise the management team about how to become financially world-class. But helping the team was harder than I thought. I started with the traditional analysis that I did at work, profit margin, ROE, growth, but the managers didn't understand these concepts. Next, since I was not only a practitioner but also a teacher of finance, I tried to teach them. Bad news, the team had little interest in learning finance. Clearly, I needed to develop a simple finance tool to help the CoffeeWorks team. To create this tool, I combined three resources: my database of the financial performance of every company in the world, my knowledge of which financial ratios matter most to increase the value of a business, my experience simplifying finance concepts from years of teaching finance, and from all of these, I created world-class benchmarking scorecard for CoffeeWorks. The scorecard focuses the management team on only one financial measure. It's easy to understand since it contains no financial ratios. It's not overwhelming. The one-page format arrives monthly. It doesn't change. Like in sports, the team knows when they are winning. And it challenges the team to become financially world-class by beating global peers. Now, I use the world-class benchmarking scorecard to evaluate every company I look at. There's three things you need to know to understand how to read the scorecard. First, the single measure at the top of the triangle is profitable growth. It's a combined score of profitability and growth. Second, a company's performance is ranked against its global peers. 1 is best, 10 is worst. Third, the scorecard presents 5 years, including the most recent 12 months. Now, let's use it on UAC Global. And here we can see profitable growth rank of 3 was up compared to 4 in the prior period. This was above average performance compared to 760 small industrial companies worldwide. In fact, last 2017 was an improvement on 2016. This company is improving. Next, the recent profitability of 4 was worse than the rank for growth of 3. Profitability rank of 4 was up, though, compared to the prior period, and it was up in 2017 compared to 2016 when it was 7. In the end, the 4 in the past 12 months was above average performance compared to its peers. Now, the growth rank of 3 was down compared to the prior period's 1, and this 3 is still, though, above average performance. Now let's look at the bottom of the triangle to understand what's happening. The first thing we can see is asset utilization is improving from a 6 to a 5 to a 3. That's impressive performance moving up and up the decile ranking. Profit margin has maintained stable, and it's sales growth that really has kicked off, and we can see that. So I would say that the asset utilization and the sales growth are the key to this company's improving profitable growth score. Do you want to become world-class? Well, if you're a CEO, email me to see how the world-class benchmarking scorecard can make your company financially world-class. If you're an investor, leave a company name in the comments below to see how that company ranks. My name's Andrew Stotz, and I challenge you to become world-class.